I'm Kavita Kothari. I'm from Jaipur. Today I'm going to introduce you the best, very special Rajasthani sabji, Govind Gatta. Okay, let's come. We make Rajasthani Gatta together. I share my recipe. I hope you like it. Thank you. Okay, we take the besan, 1 cup of besan, and we add some coriander seeds, fennel seeds, pinch of hing, salt, red chili powder, pinch of turmeric powder, we add oil, 2 tablespoons, fresh chili, pinch of fresh chili, ginger, coriander, fresh coriander. Mix well. Add more oil. Add water. Make a dough. Very little water. Dough like this is like a mix smooth. We take paneer for stuffing, so just 1 spoon of paneer. We put black pepper, pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt. Mix properly. And make a very small ball. We take this dough, bend like this. We put the paneer ball inside, stuff inside, and make again fine ball. So almost my Rajasthani Gatta half ready. Ball like this. We boil in the plain water till like color change like this. Almost 15 minutes you boil properly. Boil take 15 minutes. That time we ready the gravy. So we take yogurt for 5 to 7 people. Take yogurt, this one, and we add all the spices. It's like a red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, little bit garam masala. Mix properly. We put some paneer inside also. Gatta is boiled, so we come out the all gattas out. rest for 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Just little bit cool. And we not throwing this water, we use again. So we use in recipe. So all the water you can add in the yogurt. So we make gravy. We put all is a ghee. It's a half bowl of ghee. We add green chili and ginger because Rajasthani sabji is very spicy. So and Rajasthani people like to like a very colorful sabji. So we use more ghee and more spicy. We put some long, put some kali mirchi, tej pata, coriander seeds, some flex fennel seeds, hing also, the 2 pinch of hing, then I add the yogurt. We add a little bit water. We stir continuously, otherwise there's a lumps inside. Till like a one boil, we stir continuously. See the consistency of this gravy is like this. Not too thick, not too very liquid. Be little like make like this because we add gattas. So when the gatta comes, the gravy is more thicker. This is not la lumps, this is a paneer. We add some paneer, so this is like a paneer. Is a very important tip I give you. If you cut very nicely, so you grease the knife with the oil and ghee, whatever you want. So okay, just I start the cutting this one in the center. My gravy is ready. You see my gravy is ready. It's very almost like a pag gaya. We add gattas inside. Last and finally we garnish with the coriander. Okay, finally here my gatta sabji is ready. I hope it's helpful. My recipe is helpful for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.